Two-factor authentication, not working on MoneyLion Wealth Fix. If you're locked out of your MoneyLion Wealth account because your two-factor authentication isn't working, don't stress. This happens more often than you think, and the fix is simple once you know what's really causing it. MoneyLion uses strong two-factor authentication to protect your investments and personal information. But when it fails, it's usually due to time mismatches, app updates, or connection problems. Step 1. Check your device time. Go into your settings and turn on Set Time automatically. Two-factor codes depend on exact timing, and even a few seconds of difference can cause your code to fail. If you're using an authenticator app, like Google Authenticator or Authy, make sure it's updated and synced correctly. Many users overlook this, but resyncing your time in the app often solves invalid or expired token issues right away. If you're using SIMs codes and they're not coming through, try turning off Wi-Fi, disabling your VPN, or toggling airplane mode. Some carriers block automated login texts, especially if your signal is weak or if you're using Wi-Fi calling. You should also clear your MoneyLion app cache or reinstall the app. Hash data can interfere with authentication servers, especially after app or phone updates. And if you recently changed devices or phone numbers, your old setup might no longer be linked to your current account. In that case, tap Can't Access Two-Factor and follow the on-screen recovery steps to reset it. Once you resync your device and refresh the app, your MoneyLion two-factor authentication should work like new. Remember, while it's a small extra step, it's one of the best ways to protect your financial future.